Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to update TikTok on Android. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, how to update TikTok? Click on the TikTok app. If you are noticing that your TikTok app is not being updated or you are not getting updated features on TikTok or updated videos on TikTok, you simply click on off and click on the Play Store. After clicking on the Play Store, you will see here right in the search bar and right here TikTok update. You can see here there is an option of TikTok and in front of TikTok there is an option of open. It means my TikTok is being updated. If your TikTok is not updated, you will get an option of updated here instead of open. Click on that updated option. In this case, your TikTok will be updated and you will get updated videos on your phone or Android. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.